Hi guys, what's up and welcome to Any Tech. In this video I'll be showing you how to create and manage email signatures on Gmail. And before we begin, you might be wondering why my desktop looks like this and how I did all this. I'll be making a playlist on my channel and be posting videos on how to make your DIY Windows 11. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I launch the next video. So first we're going to open up Google Chrome. And I'm going to open up Gmail. Now I'm going to sign in, so I'll put in my email address. And I'll put in my password. And once we're logged in here, I'm going to go into settings. Click on see all settings. And then I'm going to scroll down until I get to signature settings. Now I'm going to click on create new. And I'll give it a name. And I'm going to input my text. So I'll do something like now I can change the font. I actually don't want those. I actually don't want this there. Maybe I'll change text color to grey. Now I can create another one and I can change between them, so I'll create this one, any tech image. I'll select create. And this signature, maybe I'll just use an image. So I'll click on the image picture, select upload, select the file from your device, scroll down to find my image, and I'll use my logo, so I'll double click on it. And I'll wait for it to finish uploading. And it's over here, so I'm going to change the size to medium. Now I can choose a default signature, so I'm going to change it to any tech image. And on reply I will use no signature. And I'm going to click this so I don't have the two dashes before it, and so I don't have all the past text from past emails. And now I should click save changes. And now when I compose a new email, you'll see over here my new signature. So I can go down there and I can change and I can put text for it, and I can actually even edit it from here, but I'll only edit it over here and not change the default signature. Now you can also sort between signatures, so just go here, click on default, and you can also select no signature, and from here you can also go to manage signatures. And that's how you add an email signature to Gmail. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and stay tuned when I launch a video on how to make your own Windows 11.